this is Shandra. Today I'm going to show you a key guard. And the reason this comes in a keyboard box is that there's so many different variations of keyboards that I find that to find a key guard, you just need to buy a fresh keyboard with the key guard that goes with it. So I've got this Simply Type keyboard and key guard. And this is ACK 260, ACK 260U. And this is a USB keyboard. And now we'll unbox this so you'll see what to expect. Looks like I've got a tab here. And that was simple. We have the key guard right here. And we have the USB keyboard, cardboard. Not even any instructions, right? Should be simple. As you can see, this is a standard keyboard with a 10 key. It's got little feet on the back to adjust, to get it at a good ergonomic height. But overall, this is kind of your standard keyboard, okay? This is the key guard, which is sealed in plastic, apparently. I'm gonna have to tear this open. Okay, so you can see here, this is acrylic plastic. It comes with little protective feet. And this is going to sit on the keyboard. So I'm gonna line up the space buttons. Let me get this plastic off of here. So it looks like we're going to use this double-sided little Velcro tapes, pieces of tape, to tape this onto the keyboard. All right, so, like so. There we go. All right, so you got a good look at this, how this will look. From the end, you can see that this basically creates a shelf over the keyboard. So installation is going to be about getting these stickers lined up perfectly. Now, who uses a key guard? Well, people that might fat finger keys, or maybe as they're resting, they rest their hands on keys. This makes the key be down in a hole. So they have to deliberately type the key that they want down in the hole. Sometimes somebody might not be able to locate the keys they want with their hands, but if they use a splint or some kind of like pencil or that, they can get the correct key. I also expect somebody who's using a key guard might also want some key shortcuts. You might do some programming of the upper keys to shorten things like mouse clicks or things like that. But this is typically for somebody with a hand dexterity, some kind of physical issue, and it stops them from fat fingering keys, lets them type more deliberately. If you're a fast typist, obviously this is going to slow you down because you got to get your fingers in the hole. These are for people that are having trouble accessing the keyboard. So this creates a way for them to deliberately type the things that they want without duplicating and typing the surrounding keys. It isolates their selections. So there you go. You're gonna have a hard time finding a key guard for any keyboard. Typically it's best just to buy them together, the one that goes with it. And I'll put links down in the description below for where I got this one. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask and I'll do my best to help.